Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I've got our fabulous Rivian R2 here, and I want to talk to you about screen protectors. You've got two awesome screens up here, and we are super excited to introduce that we have a glass protective screen cover for both screens. Let's talk a little bit about these covers. So this is a 9H glass. This is not plastic. This is made out of glass, so it retains the same sensitivity from a touchscreen perspective as the factory glass. The benefits you get, obviously, is scratch protection. Kids, pets, objects moving around, whatever the case, not going to be a problem. You're not going to damage the screen. Impact resistance as well. If something flies through the cab and hits the screen, first layer of defense. But what I really like about them is we have a glare-free matte finish on these. So once I install these on the screens, I've got protection from the sun glare coming in here. It really makes it perfect for protecting not only the reflections, but let's say I'm in the sun situation and I can't see the screens. It really helps with that. Okay, from an installation perspective, this is really easy. Let's start with the basics. Go under settings, go down to displays, and toggle on to screen cleaning, which is going to stop the screen from reacting. Now, each one of our kits is going to include both of the screen covers, and it's going to include a cleaning kit, which is going to be a wipe that you can wipe this down. So the first order of business is going to be wipe this down, get it super clean, get it super dry. You don't want any dust or lint. So you want to do this in the garage, doors closed, not a lot of wind blowing around, and keep any of the dust off of the screen. Like you've probably done with a cell phone, you're going to take this, and when the screen is cleaned and ready to go, we're going to pull off the backing. We're going to line this up and basically use my fingers to get lined up perfectly on the screen. And then as we set it in place, it's pretty straightforward. You can swipe up, and then basically it should self-attach. You might have to push some bubbles out side to side, but that's it. Okay, and then when you're done, this is going to be attached to the screen, and you're just going to hold down on this and exit back to standard mode. Okay, everybody, I hope you like this intro to our screen protectors. You can check them out at evsportline.com. Make sure you give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because we've got a lot of upgrades for your Rivian R2 that I want to share.